Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost in CapCut PC. So have your audio ready here and split to the part where the bass drops. Make sure your volume is up to 20 decibels and you're just going to copy and paste it 3 times like so, and that's it. I guess you can copy and paste it for more than 3 times. Again, this is a video editing app, so it won't really be that great. Well, it's better if you use like another app like for audio and stuff. But yeah, I'm just showing you how to do it on the CapCut PC app. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!